So here's a BRYANT SENTRY unit. This one's got a Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. This is from GRANDAIRE fan motor. This is a 13 SEER. That is from 2022. That is a 2-ton. This unit is very quite running. And this is a new unit, so it's newer. So yeah. So over there, here's a PAYNE. It's been this is a scroll compressor, and this is a PAYNE unit. Didn't actually get replaced. This is a 13 SEER. This is a 2018. That is a 2-ton. Yeah, this is a street cool. So it's been running. Suction line has been running. This one is hot suction line. So yeah, this is a pretty nice unit over there. I've seen this type of unit, so this is my first time recording. And over there, here's a American Standard Silver Series, and this is a nice 3 fan bladed. This is from. Go back there. This one started up. That is from 2021. That is a 3.5 ton. And this one is a 14 SEER. This one changed into a Bronze fan motor. So yeah, this is a nice unit right there. Silver Series. This is my second thing I caught from the church was the Silver Series. It was replaced by Ream Goodman's, Ream Achievers, and also an Alpha. No, the Train XP 1000 at the church. So yeah. And over there, here's the MSH Legacy. It's been off. And this is a GRANDAIRE cutter. It's from 2016. That is a 2-ton. And this is a 13 SEER energy guide. And it's been running. This is a MSH. And there, we got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. And this is a GRANDAIRE fan motor, 2022. That is a 2-ton. This is an energy guide. This is a 14 SEER. No, 13 SEER. Suction line's been nice, cold, sweaty. The Google line is not nice. And this is 2021. That is a 2-ton. This is a Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. This is a GRANDAIRE fan motor. And yeah, that's it. That's it, folks. You got all these units started up. It's brand new. Never seen that for years, couple of months. So here's a PAYNE, here's a BRYANT, American Standard, MSH Legacy, GRANDAIRE, and another BRYANT. And yeah, I'm gonna keep the picture of those. Alright guys, peace out, folks. We're here at the apartment complex, which is built by early 2000s. And here's a thermostat right there. And over there to shut off again. So yeah, there you have it, folks. Peace out, folks. Have a great, wonderful of the summer. Okay, bro. So yeah, this is an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor from 2022. I hate when this phone keeps doing that. Every time I do the screen recording, it just froze up. And I don't know why it froze up, because of my phone hot, because my phone was too hot. And basically I had to turn it off and turn it back on to let it cool down. Basically I had to charge my phone when I was sleeping, stayed on all night. Basically I can hear the air conditioner running. So that's probably the problem with the compressor is, if you have one of these compressors had a malfunction problem, you should get your new unit replaced and newer compressor. And basically you'll have a GRANDAIRE from 2022. You have a manufacturing October. Alright, that was a shutdown onto the Bryant from 2021. And that is an awesome Copeland scroll compressor, Emerson Copeland scroll. And that sounded very awesome. And this is an awesome sound of the compressor. The fan motor is alright. And probably there's the neighbor's shutdown. So peace out, folks. See you on the next one.